Welcome to another Microsoft Word tutorials on Banahene Tutorial Collections, and in this section of this video we are going to look at some navigational elements in our Word document. I'm going to show you some techniques or some skills you can explore within Microsoft Word to improve your way of navigating through your created Word document. And this is going to comprise of traditional techniques and also advanced techniques. So without any further explanation, let's get it right in and explore these techniques. This is a Word document that has been created, and I have this well organized and formatted. Now, the first way to navigate through your Word document, that is to view your content which are available. You can use the scroll bar which is at the right side of your Word document, and when you scroll down you have the option to view your Word document page by page, and when you scroll up this also gives you the option to view your Word document. Sometimes you might also see the horizontal scroll bar when you zoom in into a particular view option. And another traditional way to view your document is to move to the menu bar and click on the view tab, and then in the ribbon of the view tab we have this show group and we have navigation pane, and when you click, this is going to display the navigation pane at the left pane where we have this option, and then this allows you to walk through your headings, your pages, and also results. When you click on pages, you get all the pages available. Therefore, when I click on this jumps me to that specific page that has been selected in the navigation pane. When I scroll down and click, this also jumps me right into this particular page. Let's assume that you have about 20 to 60 pages. This navigation pane helps you to navigate through your Word document in Microsoft Word. When you move above these pages, we have headings, and this also allows you to navigate through your Word document, especially when you have some headings formatted in Microsoft Word. Now let me show you an example. When I select this and then move to the home tab, and then we have the styles group, so you are going to have some styles formatting applied to your headings. If I choose this, which is heading 1, I have this given as heading 1. Therefore, when you move to the navigation pane, you can see that this is available. I'm going to move to the beginning of this word and also select this and apply heading 1 to it, and you can see that we have these options display in the navigation pane. Therefore, if I click on this jumps me to that particular page that consists of this particular heading. If I click on this also moves me to the beginning of this Word document, which is this particular page. So this is also another way you can use to navigate through your Word document. When you click on results, this is when you have some text boxes or some comments in your Word document. It also allows you to have an easy navigation in your created document. Now when you have this pane and you want to close, you can click on this X button, or you can press the escape key on the keyboard. So if I click on this, I have closed this particular pane. The next option to navigate is to move to your status bar, which lies beneath your Word document, and we have this option that says page 1 of 3. If I click on this also opens the navigation pane. Therefore, I can use the headings, the pages, or the results to navigate through my Word document. You can also hold CTRL F on the keyboard, and this also opens the navigation pane, and you can explore all the navigational techniques to navigate through your created Word document. To close this pane, you can press the escape key on the keyboard. Now this moves us to the advanced way of navigating through our Word document. If I hold the F5 on the keyboard, this brings out the find and replace dialog box, and then below this option we have find, replace, and GoTo, and currently the GoTo tab is selected, and we have this option that says go to what. You have page, you have section, you have line, you have bookmark, you have comments, you have footnotes. We have other options displayed here. So if you want to move to a specific page, you make sure to select the page option, and then you move to enter page number field, click, and when you type the page number, you can click on go to, and then this jumps you to that specific page that consists of your content. You can close this by clicking on this cross sign, or you press the escape key on the keyboard. The escape key is a special purpose key that allows you to close options and open dialog box. Now you can also hold Ctrl+G. This also opens the same dialog box, and you can navigate through your Word document. And if I type the number 2, I can hold the Alt key and the letter T. This jumps me to that specific page typed in the enter page field. When you want to close, you can click on this, or also press the escape key on the keyboard. Now within your Word document that consists of your text and images or any other content, you can also navigate through your text or your content available in your created document. Now if I hold the page up, this allows me to navigate through my document page by page to the beginning of the document. And if I hold the page down key on the keyboard, this also allows me to scroll down page by page in my created Word document. I can also hold Ctrl+Page up, and this jumps page by page. Therefore you have your cursor at the beginning of whatever line that you have in that particular page. If I hold page down, you can see that I'm scrolling in an easy way. These are all the techniques and skills you have on your fingertips to explore the perfect navigation in your Word document. Now as usual, you can see that I am at the end of this page. If I hold the Control key and the Home key, this jumps me to the beginning of this Word document. And as usual, if I hold the Control key and the End key, this brings me to the end of this particular document. These are the techniques we can explore in terms of Word document navigation. Let's jump to the beginning of this document. I have this cursor blinking at the first line of this document. If I use my right arrow key, this moves to the right character by character, and when I use the left arrow key, this moves to the left character by character. If I use the down arrow key, this moves down line by line between the pages available, and when I use the up arrow key, this also moves line by line of a sentence to the beginning of this Word document. You can also use Control and the right arrow key to move word by word to the right side of your document, and when you hold Control and the left key, this move word by word to the left of your line of text. When I use the Control key and the down arrow key, this move paragraph by paragraph, that is moving downwards, and when I use the Control key and the up arrow key, this move paragraph by paragraph towards the upward of my Word document. So putting these techniques and skills in your document creation will allow you to navigate through your Word document and have a professional created document. Now if I move to the View tab and then choose this zoom option, I'm going to have this zoom dialog box, and I'm going to change this to 200% and click on OK. Now what happens is here I have my Word document, that is the document area, zoomed in, and then I have my content fully shown in a bold manner. Therefore you can see that the horizontal scroll bar is available that can help you to move right and left to have a better view of your Word document. You can move back and click on the 100% to have this in the 100% zoom option. So if you want to activate the horizontal scroll bar in Microsoft Word, you need to zoom in to a specific option. Now hope all these techniques are going to improve our productivity in terms of Microsoft Word usage, and also hope you've learned something in this particular video. Please like this video, share and comment, and also consider to subscribe share your comments in the comment section, and I am ready to collaborate and communicate with you. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.